Do you have the aloe vera gel or the snail gel, or maybe you even have the tomato gel and you don't know how to put this into good use in order to get a brighter skin or in order to solve your other skin concerns? Or maybe you've been seeing this product in the market and you don't know how to put them into good use in order to get the best out of them. On this video, I'm going to be showing you 6 ways you can effectively use either the aloe vera gel, the snail gel, or even the tomato gel in order to get value for your money, in order to see great results. But before we get into that, to my returning subscribers, you guys are welcome. And if you're seeing this face for the first time, hi my love, it's a girl once more. Here on this channel, we talk about everything skincare, beauty, and products review, and of course product recommendations. If you're here to subscribe, please guys, kindly subscribe to my channel and like this video guys. Liking this video is going to help YouTube to show this video to a lot of people that it will be of help to them as well. So without taking much of your time, let us go straight into why we're here. Now, it just came to my notice that a lot of people don't know how to put these gels into good use. There are so many ways you can use this gel and include them in your skincare routine in order to get the best out of them. One of the ways you can use either of these gels in order to get the best out of them is for those people that have sunburn. You can actually use any of this gel as your sunburn treatment. These gels are actually very soothing and they have a calming effect on your skin. You're going to combine this gel together with your sunburn treatment agent. If you're using a face cream or a serum to treat your sunburn, if you include the aloe vera gel into your sunburn treatment routine, it's going to help you speed up the process. It's going to make the process faster. Though this product claims to treat sunburn, but the truth is if you use it on its own alone, it's not going to do justice to that. It might work for the sunburn, but it's going to take a longer period of time. But if you combine this with your sunburn treatment face cream, it's going to help to speed up the process. Another good way you can put these gels into use, you can use them as a face mask. What I mean is, you can use them as a face mask. You can actually apply a generous amount on your face and allow it to sit for 20 minutes. You can do this at night, then you can go ahead and wash it off. Another way you can use these gels for your face mask is you can use them to mix your face mask powder like the turmeric powder or the bentonite clay, depending on the type of mask that you want to make. If you want to make a mask for your acne, for your black spots or hyperpigmentation, or you want to make a mask that will help to shrink your pores, you can use the aloe vera gel to mix any of those powders, those mask powders that we have out there that are targeting the specific skin concerns that you are battling with. You can also use any of these gels as a hair conditioner, especially for those that are having very dry scalp, those dry particles that you normally see on your hair that looks like a dandruff. There is a name for it, but I can't actually remember the name. So you can use your aloe vera gel as a conditioner. You apply it in the sections of your hair after braiding your hair. Be doing it daily. You can join it with any good hair cream of your choice. It's going to help to moisturize your scalp and take away any form of dryness on your hair. Another powerful way you can use any of these gels, especially the aloe vera gel, because I use this personally, you can use this gel as a moisturizer before you shave. We all know that it is not good to shave on a dry skin. If you apply this, especially on your armpit or on your face, if you want to shave your armpit or your face, if you apply it as a moisturizer, it's going to help to reduce friction and it's going to help to prevent any injury that the blade might cause on your skin. You can generously apply any of these gels on your skin in order to moisturize your skin before you shave, because it's going to help to reduce irritation. And if you are prone to black armpits or you have a black armpit, a black underarm that you've been battling for so long, start applying aloe vera gel or the tomato gel or the snail gel in that area before shaving, and you're going to see that your hyperpigmentation is going to reduce drastically. Another way you can use either of these gels in order to get the best out of them is you can actually use them as your eye cream, especially for people that are suffering from eye bag. It's going to help to moisturize your under eye area and it's going to help to reduce the appearance of your eye bag. If you're also suffering from this discoloration under your eye, you can go with either the tomato gel or the aloe vera gel. Apply them time to time under your eye, and they are going to help to reduce the appearance of those discoloration or pigmentation that you have under your eye. They are very safe to use because they don't contain any active ingredient in them. But if you can afford a very good eye cream, it's still very okay. Lastly, another way you can use any of these gels in order to get the best out of them is you can use them as your moisturizer. And when I mean moisturizer, I mean you can apply them on your skin or even on your face before applying your treatment or your whitening product. We all know that it is not good to apply a treatment or a whitening product directly on your skin because of how harsh they can be. You want to be gentle with your skin. So if you apply the aloe vera gel as a moisturizer to moisturize your face or moisturize your entire body before applying any treatment product, it's going to create a barrier between your skin and that product, so that in case if that product is too harsh for your skin, the aloe vera gel is going to help to neutralize that product so that it won't harm your skin. There are other ways you can also use the aloe vera gel. You can actually use it as a soothing relief cream. If your skin comes in contact with any hot substance or object, like for instance, I got this mark from when I was cooking the other day. So the hot water splashed on my hand, and immediately I took the aloe vera gel and applied. We all know how hot in that area can be once any hot object or water should touch your skin. So when I applied the aloe vera gel, it became very soothing. It calmed the hotness and I wasn't feeling any hotness again. So I applied it for days and it really helped me. As you can see, the mark is already fading away drastically. If you made it to the end of this video, thank you so much for watching, guys. And if you're still yet to subscribe, please kindly subscribe to my channel and don't forget to like this video. And don't forget to turn on the notification bell as well, so that anytime I upload new content like this, you'll be among the first people to be notified. See you guys in our next videos. Bye.